Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the recent notifications come out from IIT Kanpur, which has launched recently a e-masters program. So we'll see the details of this e-masters program. Before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel to get all the latest update regarding different university notifications, studies, higher studies, PhDs and masters in India and abroad. So let us see what is the detailed notification. So as you can see, IIT in Kanpur has launched an e-masters program with four new programs. Along with their existing programs, these four new e-masters programs will be added. As you can check the name, it is e-masters. That means the programs will be in the online mode. So Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur has launched four e-masters program aimed at enabling a seamless remote learning process during this pandemic. As all the uh, institutions are running the programs remotely, that means through online. So IIT Kanpur is also in the race to launch different programs to complete their programs remotely through online mode. The programs are designed to help upskill working professionals with industry experience and thus help them explore a wider range of career options. So corporates may sponsor this program for their employees. If you are working somewhere, so you can apply for this e-master program. Corporates can also sponsor their employees. That means the corporates can pay the course fee for their employees to take the course from IIT Kanpur. So what are the four programs? Let us see one by one. The four programs will be e-masters in cybersecurity, e-masters in communication system, e-masters in commodity market and risk management, and masters in power sector regulations, economics and management. So these will be the five new e-programs that has been added in the curriculum of IIT Kanpur from this year. So you can apply for these courses. So the e-masters program in cybersecurity addresses increasing the need of the securing informations in the digital world. As you know, the people are coming digitally. So the cybersecurity also a concern in the field of online transactions. So this e-master program will address the needs, and it will be also a program for the need in for securing information in the digital world. The demand of professionals trained in the cybersecurity tools is expected to be more than 1 million in defense, banking, retail, power, transportation, computing, and related fields. So it has estimated that more than 1 million uh, the cybersecurity professionals jobs are needed in the recent future, with the strongest expert group in cybersecurity as faculty drawn from the Center of Cybersecurity Critical Infrastructure and the Technology Innovations Hub. In the cybersecurity, working professionals would be able to equip themselves and skills necessary to be successful in the roles involved securing networks against attackers. So this will be a good program for the if you are if you want to pursue a career in the cyber security. So this will be a good program for you. You can pursue it. So let us see when the applications will open. The application process will take place in the July itself, and the program will begin from mid of August. So applications will be open from the July month. You can check. The institute will release details about the eligibility, fees, admission process shortly on their official website. So you can check their website regularly, or else once the application process, the details about this program will also come with the notifications. So for that, please subscribe our channel so that we will bring you all the details about this program. So while the IIT Kanpur will launch the program, or any notifications has come out, will definitely bring it to your notice. So how the program will continue? As I have already told you, it will be a e-masters program. So program will take place online mode only and will be conducted by the faculty of IIT Kanpur. Candidates in this program will also required to complete a certain fixed number of courses in the flexible time period. But from the online teaching, the program will also consist of a non-campus practical training such as lab visit, lab session, and demonstration for a period of 2 weeks. So you need to have a non-campus practical training. So sorry, on-campus practical training. So you need to visit the campus for the lab visits, lab session, and demonstration for 2 weeks. So it will be around 15 days. You need to visit the campus for the practical program. Once you complete this, you'll also get the certificates regularly, like the e-masters program. So you'll get the certificates and details by the IIT Kanpur. So as you can check, the cybersecurity e-masters communication systems, mastery in commodity market and risk management, masters in power sector regulations, economics and management. So all these things require some sort of practical exposure so that people can get the exact knowledge, the required knowledge. So you need to visit the campus uh, personally. You need to visit around 2 weeks for the practical sessions. Okay, so this is all about the recent notification that has come out from the IIT Kanpur about the 4 new programs. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want to get more updates in the recent studies, future studies. And please also visit our website universitystudyguide.com and also follow our social media handles for all the details. Thank you for watching this video.